Meet Jonathan Murphy. Jonathan is a first-year Ph.D. student at the University of Kentucky, where he is currently studying chemical engineering. Jonathan completed his undergraduate coursework at Kentucky State University. In 2016, Jonathan participated in the National Science Foundation's Summer Research Experiences for Undergraduates program at the University of Kentucky. At the completion of the program, Jonathan was invited by Kentucky NSF EPSCoR research pillar leader Dr. D.B. Bhattacharrya to join his EPSCoR research project and pursue his Ph.D. at the University of Kentucky. Today, Jonathan is working on a joint project between Kentucky NSF EPSCoR's Advanced Bio-Inspired Membrane Technologies and Electrochemical Energy Storage research pillars. Thanks to funding from Kentucky NSF EPSCoR, Jonathan is able to pursue his Ph.D., engaging in hands-on research while attending UK tuition-free.
I'm Jonathan Murphy, first-year Ph.D. student working as a graduate research assistant in Dr. D.B. Bhattacharrya's lab and Dr. Y.T. Ching's lab. In my PChem class as an undergrad, I became interested in electrochemistry, and I wanted to work on that. As I was applying to the Ph.D. program here, I went and spoke to Dr. Ching, and we were both intrigued by my possible inclusion into his lab. However, I had also spoken to Dr. DB about joining, and he kind of helped streamline me in to the program, so that's how I became a joint researcher in both labs. I was able to complete my undergraduate without accruing any debt, but without the EPSCoR program is paying my tuition, which would be just completely out of the question for me to do on my own. Science isn't some, only a certain percentage of the population are able to do it. It's if you put the time in and put the effort in and sacrifice like you would do with any other skill, you can learn it.